In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the hood release cable on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a pair of clip pliers, we're going to remove the 3 clips on top of our trim. You may have 4 clips, ours only has 3. Lift up on the trim, pull straight back, put it out of the way. Remove the 2 10mm bolts for the grille. There should be one more right here. Ours is missing. In front of the hood latch, you're going to find 2 black tabs. There's one on either side. Pick up on these tabs and pull the grille off, straight out. Pop the hood latch cable out of the plastic stay. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to twist the cable down, push the latch over to the side, pull the cable straight out, pop the hood latch cable out of the plastic stay. Using a piece of wire, we're going to tie it to our hood cable. I have this attached to about 5 or 6 feet of wire. We're going to use this to help us pull the new cable back through the car. I'm going to pull the cable from the driver's side fender area. We're going to drag it back. Right down here, running along the harness, there's going to be a plastic clip. Pop the cable out of the clip. Keep pulling back, pulling your wire through. I'm actually going to install the wire into that clip. Once we get to this point, we're going to go inside of the car. Working under the dash, we're going to find our hood switch. And on the back of that, there's going to be a 19mm nut. Loosen the nut on the line. Remove the cable from the bracket. Following the cable back to the firewall, we're going to lift up the felt around it. Under that, you'll see a grommet right there. Using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the grommet. I'm also using a pair of needle nose pliers to just grab and pull. Once you have the grommet out, start to pull the line towards you, feeding the line through the engine bay, through this hole, until we hit our wire. Just like that. Remove the wire off of the old cable. Do not let this wire fall back through the firewall until it's tied to the new cable. Tie the wire to the new hood latch cable. I'm going to pull all of the slack out of the wire from the engine side. Once the cable binds up on the inside, I'll come and line up the cable and then continue to pull it through. Pull the wire out of the plastic clip. Pull the hood cable down, install it into the plastic clip. Continue pulling the cable through. Remove the wire. Install the cable end. Get the cable fully installed. Install the cable into the stay. Install the grommet into the hole. Make sure it's fully seated. Then pull the felt back down around it. thread the nut back on the cable, install it, make sure it's sitting flush, snug the nut down, install the grille onto the vehicle, get the grille lined up and push it into place. You should hear it click into place. Give a pull on it, make sure it's locked in. Install the bolts. There should be one more right here. Install the top trim piece. This will slide onto our grille. Install the clips. And you're good to go.